Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I wanted to give you guys an update of the Alphapex DG Home 1. How this thing has been faring over the past couple weeks as I am in my dining room slash kitchen right now. This is where I've had this as this 2.1 gigahash, 630 watts Scrypt miner has been the best heater, especially for this type of application of trying to heat an area, because it is water cooled and it's quiet. So over the past couple of weeks, my wife has been very happy that this thing has been heating the dining slash kitchen area, and it hasn't been obtrusive in terms of it's loud. It's not loud or anything like that. We can eat and we can talk and we don't hear this thing, but it provides a good 630 watts of heat, and it's pumping out this way and has been able to heat up my side of the house here, which the ambient temperatures right now is about 75.9 Fahrenheit. And then for my non-American freedom-loving unit friends, it's 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it is comfortable. It is actually really comfortable in terms of it actually heating my kitchen and the dining area. It's been really good, and also quiet. That is the most important thing regarding this crypto miner, is that during the winter time, this thing is great. And again, the wife even said hey, we got to get another one for other sides of the house, because I do have other crypto miners, which I'm going to talk about that in another video. I mainly want to talk about the profitability of this Alphapex DG1. I've been mining to Mining-Dutch over the past couple of weeks, so I want to show you guys my earnings over the past couple of weeks and go through all that. And yeah, again, another positive thing with this unit is that it is Wi-Fi. Okay, it has wireless, so I can essentially plug this thing anywhere. Again, it goes with what I said before, being it's not obtrusive in a way where I can essentially plug this in anywhere, right? And I don't need network, okay, like an Ethernet cable. It's able to use Wi-Fi, so it just needs a power plug-in, and which we are on 120 volts, so that's another positive thing regarding the DG Home 1 here. So I know a lot of people have been selling these for over $2,000 now, $2,000. It used to be like a $1,400 unit when they did their pre-order of this thing back in, I think, August or July. That's when I first placed my order. I was able to get this thing for about $1,400, but now because of Dogecoin has gone up, the crypto markets have gone up, the prices of these types of ASICs, Scrypt ASICs for mining Litecoin, merge mining Dogecoin, have gone up considerably now. So yeah, I just have to say this thing has been great. It's a great heater. It's quiet. I don't have to use I used to have a gas furnace and I used to have heat coming that way, but it was very expensive. Using a gas furnace for heat was very inefficient and very expensive. And so I have, not just only this Alphapex DG1 Home here heating my dining room slash kitchen, I also have a Avalon Nano 3. Okay, also heating my area here, and also a Gold Shell Mini Doge 3 Plus, which has been heating the area here. Okay, so I got essentially 3 different heaters, crypto mining heaters, in my dining slash kitchen area, and it's been great. These things have been awesome for doing that. Anyways, let's go into the computer now. I want to talk about just what I've been earning with this Alphapex DG1 Home, just to give you guys an update. All right, so I'll see you guys in the computer.
Okay, we are in the computer here. I just want to show you guys my actual earning that I've been getting on the DG Home 1. I've been mining to a singular account, brand new account with this DG Home 1, and we can see exactly how much this is earning. Okay, so let me go through yesterday here, okay, the period of my earnings. So today, obviously, it's not over yet. So it's not going to show a proper amount. But yesterday, okay, December 18th, as of recording this video, okay, it says I've earned about $6.97 worth of the crypto here. I'm merge mining a lot of different coins here. Okay, on Mining-Dutch, I have been mining into all of them. I haven't converted any of these coins. I wanted to do this video just to showcase to you guys all the other coins that we've been mining. So Doge, mined about 17.7 Dogecoin in the December 18th single day here, and about 20 cents in Litecoin. We have 30 cents in Lucky Coin. Okay, looks like we got some extra coin there from Lucky Coin. Pepe Coin, about 13 cents there. And looks like we got a penny on Junk Coin. and Digibyte about 15 cents, Cat Coin 7 cents, Bell's Coin 2 cents. So I know recently, I think over the past week, Junk Coin and a few other Pepe Coin, a few other merge mine coins here, or auxiliary coins for Litecoin have been added to a bunch of other mining pools, Litecoin mining pools. So the profitability, it used to be really good on Mining Dutch, but now that the other pools have added those, it hasn't been as good on Mining Dutch. Well, it's all evening out now because other mining pools, majority of the other mining pools have added these other coins. Okay, so that's the general daily earnings I'm earning now, mid-December of 2024. Granted, the market just went down. Okay, I know Dogecoin and Bitcoin was like 108 or 107K, went down under 100K now as of recording. So kind of a bad time for me to record this video. But anyways, it doesn't matter because I'm holding everything anyway. Okay, I'm hoping for price appreciation for a lot of these coins, which we have seen a lot of price appreciation. So I've already mined almost $200 worth of crypto with this thing, and I've had this now mining consistently since let's see here, since November 15th. All right, that's the first day I started. So it's December 19th. Okay, as of over a month now as of recording. Okay, so we've had this for over a month and we already have about $200 worth of crypto as of right now. With the market being depressed, it could be worth a lot more, but as of now, this is what I have. Okay, so I'm holding it in hopes of future price appreciation, and we'll update you guys once we hit that, you know, around $1,400 break even. Okay, including electric as well, plus electric. So we'll account that maybe in a couple months, maybe in the next half year, if the markets decide to go up. So we'll see about that. But just to also show, okay, I'm on mining.now.com. They have some really good stats here. So I'm pretty much in line with what they're saying on the daily income on this. Okay, before power. After power, you know, if I had 10 cents, it'd be about $5.28. If I had 15 cents per kilowatt hour, okay, this thing would earn about $4.52. If I had 30 cents per kilowatt hour, it'd earn about $2.25. So this is currently still a profitable miner. Okay, home quiet miner, which is great. So I think going into the bull run, this thing will still do very well if you can get it for a solid price. Which, if we look at the price trends on mining now, right? Like I said, I pre-ordered this thing back in August. Around $1,400 with shipping. Okay, but now because the market has been going higher, this thing's over $2,000. You can actually see the price of these things have been trending up over the past month. But that makes sense because Dogecoin over the past 3 months has exploded from 10 cents to 40 cents. All right, so that makes sense. That makes sense as to why the prices of all Dogecoin miners have been going up. Okay, but as well, profitability, right? Profitability wise, it has been fluctuating as well, but that obviously goes in line with the price appreciation or depreciation of Dogecoin. Okay, which recently, obviously, it's going down because before I was maybe averaging about over $7 to $8 a day. Maybe when I first had it on mid-November, I was making about $10 a day on Mining Dutch. But like I said, over the past week, a lot of other mining pools have enabled Junk Coin, Lucky Coin, a few other merge mining coins. So that's why the profits now have been decreasing. It used to be a lot better. I was getting like $10 to $12 to $13 a day, you know, on Mining Dutch when I first got it. So it's good to see the profitability numbers have been fluctuating, of course, but that's due to market conditions, obviously. Okay, so if you guys are looking for an Alphapex DG Home 1, 2100 mega hash, 630 watts, you can go check out CryptoMinerBros. They have been a sponsor of the channel for over 6 years. They have the Alphapex DG Home 1 going right now for $2,279 for January batch. But if you use code REDPANDA, you get $70 off. Okay, this price includes shipping and DDP to your door. Okay, $22.09 with the $70 off Red Panda coupon. Okay, link down below if you guys are interested. Okay, let me know your guys' thoughts on this miner. Let me know if you guys think if this is a good home heater. Let me know if you guys think I'm going to get my earnings back. Let me know how many more months you guys think it's going to take me to get $1,400 worth of crypto with this thing, especially if I'm doing the mining and hodl method. Okay, hoping for price appreciation for, you know, a few of these coins. We'll see how that goes, but let me know down below. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.